There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your luck. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do love. Love, love, love. Yeah.
First DIY was whatever. Okay, it's this tray. Everything will fall. Okay, I can. I mean, how cute is this tray? So I started with a very old file cover. It's very old, so this will be the base of the tray. I used it because cardboards are really strong and it won't easily break. So I'm going to use this chart paper to cover the cardboard, but before that I'm going to color the chart paper. And I'm going for a light blue pinkish ombre effect. I hope you're getting me. The key to get the ombre effect is to use a lot of water. Don't use a lot of color, but use a lot of water. If you don't use a lot of water, the paint will become very dark and you won't get that beautiful ombre effect. Girls, this is basically like doing your makeup. Like, the more you blend, the more prettier this ombre effect becomes. So blend and keep on blending. Once you're satisfied with it, just let it air dry. So now my chart paper is totally dry, so I'm going to now cover my file with this chart paper. I wanted to go for the wooden dowels for making the sides of the tray, but I didn't have them. But wooden dowels are easily available in the market, so I thought of making paper rolls like this. You can see I'm just folding the paper, not folding the paper, I'm actually rolling the paper. Wooden dowels are really easily available in the market, and for a more professional look, you should use the wooden dowel. So now I'm pasting the paper rolls to the sides of the tray. So this is optional, but I wanted to go with another layer of the paper roll, so I'm pasting another paper roll over the previous paper rolls. So this one, the one with the arrows, is really old. I made this last year and everyone in my Instagram loved it, so I wanted another one, this one being the ombre one, so I made this one.
Okay. Monstera.
One more time.
Monstera.
I am dumb.
Monstera.
Whatever, just go watch the video. So I am using a very old folder. I don't know what's the material of the folder. Basically, I don't know what it's called, but I'm using a very old folder. So when I started this DIY, I was not sure if this will be successful or not. I was actually pretty much sure that this will be a fail, a major fail. But yeah, it kind of, I don't know, it kind of did work for me. So as you can see, after drawing the pattern of this leaf, I started painting the leaf. Okay, don't use a lot of water while painting this because you are painting on a plastic. So if you use a lot of water, there will be a lot of trouble. So don't use a lot of water, rather use a lot of color. So I am using lots of brown, lots of yellow just to get the natural effect, like to make it look very real. So when the paint is dry, cut out the leaf. Okay, for the painting part, use arsenic paint or fabric paint because they are good. The next step is to stick the stick the stick to the leaf. I'm using in washi tapes. And so after you're done, you're going to cover the washi tapes or the sellotape with the help of some paint. Don't forget to color the stem. So this is the third DIY. This is a wall collage. It's everywhere in Instagram. Wall collages are so in trend right now. So I had some of the old printouts and you just have to figure out where to paste them.
I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't.
My third DIY. I like it. I love it. I love it.
I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be.
Hey guys, so this was DIY room decor part 2 and stop moving your hands, Sushmita. Do like the video if you like the video emotionally. What is emotionally?